Here's a little quick tip. So we are up on the roof of our travel trailer. So we've got our solar panels and we've not cleaned these yet for the year. So we're gonna go ahead and give them a nice cleaning and see if we get more power out of them. So we tested it before and I'll throw the results. And then now we will do a cleaning and then test and see if we actually do get more power. So give me a minute and I will get these cleaned. Okay, so now they are nice and clean. So I'll do a little screenshot and show you how much amp hours more we got. So there we have it. We went from about 1.64 amps of charging to about 1.79. So we did get a decent increase in power. So hopefully that helps make up for when you're off grid and to get you a little more amp hours. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.